Scene 1. Idea and script. Narrator. First, you need a unique idea and a simple script. Don't worry, tools like ChatGPT can help you write one. Or just use your imagination. Scene 2. Voiceover. Narrator. Now it's time to bring your story to life with voice. You can record your own, or use AI tools like 11 Labs or TTS Maker to generate realistic voiceovers. Scene 3. Animation creation. Narrator. Here comes the fun part, creating the cartoon. With tools like Animaker, Toonly, or Canva, you can easily drag and drop to make engaging animations. No. Scene 4. Video editing. Narrator. Combine all the elements smoothly using free editors like CapCut or VN Video Editor. You can even do it from your phone. Scene 5. Background music. Narrator. Good background music brings your video to life. Grab free music from YouTube, Audio Library, Pixabay, or Bensound. Scene 6. Thumbnail and posting. Narrator. Finally create an eye-catching thumbnail and a catchy title. Use Canva for thumbnails and post your video on YouTube or Facebook. That's where the viral journey begins. Outro plus call to action. Narrator. And that's how you can make your own AI cartoon videos using free tools. If you found this helpful, give a like and don't forget to subscribe for more easy animation tutorials.